Cece, hey, it's time to do the video. Come on. I know, it's exciting. I know, I love President's Day too. Alright, well, we gotta do the giveaway though. You ready? Alright, well, let's do it then. Let's get started. You want it? Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna pick. Okay. You got it. Alright. And the winner is CC. Alright, that one's trash. Let me have another one. CC again? How many did you put in here? Alright, let's see this one. CC again. Give me this. God, come on. Where's the real one at? Good Lord. Oh, you had it hidden. Nice. God. Alright, well, the winner today is going to be Kenny Carlson. Kenny, in a few moments, we'll reach out to you and get your information and get your 5 bags sent over to you, man. Right on. Alright, come on, let's go. Get your flag. Go back outside, actually. I don't want to see you.